Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Greg Napier and I am an affiliate marketer. And guess what? I am definitely a beginner, somewhat just like you may be. And you've been searching out here how to make money online, how to do it as an affiliate marketer, whether it be from a digital product or a physical product. And I'm going to tell you that being an affiliate marketer is not for the faint of heart. You have to have a lot of passion, a lot of compassion, a lot of patience, and you just have to be really, really goal oriented. You just can't come out here and say, "Hey, I understand about this affiliate marketing thing, and I want to make some money from home doing this affiliate marketing thing." And you can make some money as an affiliate marketer, especially as a beginner. You can have zero experience and still make some money, but you have to have some compassion and you have to have a set of things that you put in place. And stay to this video to the end. Hit the subscribe button. Share this video out with some people because I know you probably know some people out here who are brand new, who have never done affiliate marketing before, and they're probably scared just like you were, just like I was when I first started. And the reason I'm shooting this video is because I was just like you. I had no idea that you could make money from the comfort of your own home using either a smartphone like this or actually using your computer. But you can. Now you can actually use physical products as well. Amazon has a great program to do that. I mean, was doing that for a long time, but you're going to have the learning curve is going to be very, very high. But let me tell you what you can do. You can start your online business doing affiliate marketer as a beginner. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Stay to the end. And there are 6 things I want to share with you. So if you don't have a pen or a pad, get your pen and pad out and take some notes. Or you may be taking them on your computer or your laptop or your phone. Whatever the case may be, you need to write these things down. And this is what I'm going to share with you is that you have to understand your mindset has to be in the right frame of mind. You can't treat this like a lottery, like the scratch off, and just going to come out, grab some products, put up a website, probably don't even know what a website is, and all of those things, and then start making some money and then have instant cash. It's not going to be like that. You have to establish a process, and you have to be patient. You have to have a process, you have to be patient, and you have to have a passion for what you're doing. And you may not make any money your first go around, but you have to stick to it, stay with it. Set some goals. Follow your goals. Write your goals down. Write them down and follow them. Find out what books you need to be reading. You need to be reading some books. That's how you have to establish this personal development and your mindset. It has to be clear. Your heart has to be clear. Your mind has to be clear, and you have to be set. And you can't just go out here and say, "Oh, I'm just going to do this, and not have a process and a plan in place." If you are a beginner, which this video is for the affiliate marketers who are just starting out and have no idea what to do, as like I was, then I got a mentor. And once I got a mentor, the mentor set me down and explained what I needed to do from start to finish. And I had to do that over and over and over and over. You have to persist until you succeed. Meaning you got to keep doing this over and you got to do it. It's repetitive. It's just like when you first start riding a bike. You had no idea what you were doing and you kept falling off. But you were determined to learn how to ride that bike, right? So what you did is you kept getting back on that bike and you kept falling off and you kept getting back on that bike and you kept falling off. It's the same way with affiliate marketers when you are a beginner. And then you go from beginning stage to intermediate stage till you become advanced. And then you start doing all different types of things. But here's the deal. It's just like learning how to ride a bike. You have to learn how to crawl before you can walk. And then once you start walking and you learning how to walk properly, then that's when you start to run. But until you get these 6 things in place, which is a mindset, a niche, you have to find out what the niche is. If you know what a niche is, that means finding a product or a service that's either low ticket, medium ticket, or high ticket. I recommend as a new beginner in affiliate marketing that you start off with low to medium range and start getting a feel for what it's like to make some money, and then just gradually work your way up. If you try to start out with a high ticket from the beginning, then you're going to get discouraged, and because you're brand new. You have no idea what you're doing. Now, somebody that you done found something on the internet, and somebody's telling you how you can sell this high ticket product and make $2,000 per customer. Is that possible? Absolutely, 100% it is. Is it feasible for you as a beginner? No. Again, you have to learn how to crawl before you can walk. Then once you start walking, you can start running. So the mindset has to be clear. The niche, you have to decide which product it is and service that you're going to market online. Then you have to have a passion for that. And once you've gotten that, then now you put together your website. And now you've come to the right place, because I have everything for you right here. And you get to get this for your favorite 4-letter word. There's another piece I didn't throw in there, and that's a bonus, but you'll get that inside of the free system that I'll be offering you when you click the link down below. That not only will you get a website, you'll get a funnel, you'll get tools that you need to be an effective online marketer doing affiliate marketing as a beginner. I wish I would have had access to this system when I first started, but I didn't. That's why I'm sharing it with you in this video, because you need to know. Because you're going to run into a lot of different people out here who are going to try to sell you a lot of different tricks and gadgets. And you don't need all these tricks and gadgets and widgets. You need simple but profound. You need simple but profound. What I mean by that, you need to understand what your niche is. You need a capture page, and you need a funnel. That capture page is going to gather those leads, and it's going to drive through that funnel. And then as they go through that funnel, you're going to share with them the different tools that they need, and you'll be making money along the way. But you know the best part about it is, so will they. It'll be a win-win situation for everybody. It'll be a win-win situation for you. It'll be a win situation for the prospect that comes in and purchases your product, because you're going to be showing them, because the funnel is going to explain, it's going to do all the telling and the selling all the way through. And guess what? You get to get this for your favorite 4-letter word, free. And I know you're probably saying, just like a lot of people, free is not free. But this funnel is free for you to obtain. Now, are there products and services on the inside of the funnel that you need, and then you have to make a purchase on them? Yes. But do you know how much money? You can go out and do the research. You don't have to believe me. Go out and do the research and see how much it costs to set up a funnel. A real good funnel with all of the stuff that's on the inside of it. Because if you go and did this from scratch, you will be paying thousands of dollars. Because first of all, you got to get the infrastructure. Then you got to find out what products and services that you're going to put back there. And then you have to either know how to put it together or pay somebody to put it together. Now it's coming a business in a box when you click the link below. And subscribe to this channel. Share this out with some people. Because there are going to be a lot of people out here that come out here on the internet that are going to be trying to sell you a whole lot of widgets and gadgets. How do I know that? Because I was one of those people when I first started off. I'm telling you, affiliate marketing is brand new to me. You're looking at a person who has not been doing affiliate marketing that long. But that won't be my story a year or 2 years from now. I'll come on and do videos talking about, hey, I've been doing this for X amount of years and blah, blah, blah. And this is the reason why it's so important that you pay attention to what I'm saying and you follow the instructions step by step. It's so simple. but you have to have the right mindset. You can't treat this like a scratch-off lottery. When you treat it like a scratch-off lottery, you will fail. Because you know where you fail? You're going to fail right here. You're going to fail in your mind. See, because once you fail in your mind, then the system fails. The system isn't a failure. You become the failure because you didn't make any money right off the rip. And you thinking you should make some money right off the rip, and that's not how it works. You have to establish some patience. You have to be persistent, and you have to be consistent, and you have to be able to follow the process. And not only follow the process, but fall in love with the process, and you have to have daily activity. Don't just come out here one day and get it, and then next week do it again, the week after. This has to be an ongoing process every day. Just like when you were learning how to ride that bicycle, you were determined to learn how to ride that bicycle. And it didn't make a difference how many times you fell off that bicycle and scratched your knees and scratched your elbows. You got back on that bicycle until you perfected it. And then one day you said, look at me, I'm riding with no hands. You're doing all kind of tricks. That's how it is with affiliate marketing for you as a beginner. You don't have no idea what a capture page is. You have no idea what a funnel is. You have no idea what the products or services to put back inside the funnel. You have no idea what an email autoresponder system is. All of that is inside this system when you click that link below. Click that link below and you can get it. I promise you. And you're getting it for your favorite four-letter word. Free. But it's going to be the best free product you've ever gotten out here on the internet. I promise you that. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a 100% guarantee on that. Because I've been using the system as a new person. And there are seasoned veterans out here who are using this same exact system. It was put together by a seasoned veteran who just happens to be my mentor. And it's a phenomenal system. You're going to love it. As a beginner, you're going to thank me. So when you want to know how to do affiliate marketing as a beginner, chime in. Click that link below. Subscribe to this channel because I'm going to constantly be coming out here putting out new and interesting and innovative stuff for a new beginner all the time. So that means you need to click that button to subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll be able to get it. There's a link that's down inside that you click it and it'll take you right over. It'll take you right over to my page. I mean, literally over to this page, and you'll be able to keep in touch and find out the new and innovative stuff that I'll be sharing regular. Because you deserve to learn how to make money online from the comfort of your home, not the discomfort of your home. Meaning you just keep trying and trying to no avail. So I want to say thank you for spending this time with me. I know you could have been anywhere, but you spent a few minutes right here listening to me as an affiliate marketer, beginner. And I know what that feels like. I promise you I know what that feels like. It's heartening. It's disheartening. It's like, oh my God. Can I really make money out here online? Yes. But you have to follow a set of processes and procedures and be patient. Understand what the mindset is. See, whatever you conceive in your mind, that's what will happen. But if you don't conceive it in your mind, you already done failed before you even start. So get your mind right. Keep your mind right. Exercise patience. Become persistent and consistent, and you will win in the end. So I want to say thank you again. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video.